Hey, Turkey.
Yes?
Can I have a word with you?
Yes, what?
You wouldn't happen to be missing an A, would you?
What do you mean? Well, I look nothing like him. I am a self-basting, self-boasting, fine product specimen with wonderful spurs. As for that, I wouldn't use them to stuff a duvet with.
Talking of stuffing, I shouldn't think you'll be so full of yourself come Thanksgiving.
I hate that word.
What? Stuffing?
No Thanksgiving.
Congratulations, Ida. They're delightful. Thank you, Your Grace. Tell me, that big chappie at the back, whatever happened there? He's not your classic Beatrix Potter, is he? I do wish the others wouldn't pick on him so. He'll turn out all right as he gets older. Well, the others are triumph, my dear. I only wish I could have produced a brood of my own this year. I was so sorry to hear about that, Your Grace. You must miss him terribly. He was a fine duck, the Mandarin, but alas, he became crispy and aromatic before his time. Still, life does go on. Now, what has Maureen got you with that French bread? Ta-da! You have to try it. It's much better than the usual stuff. Even the crusts are nice.
I'll give it a dabble.
I might have room for a little gobble-gobble.
Yes, Maureen, it's delicious. Children, come and try this. Make way for the red-banded duck.
Honk!
Ida, you really are going to have to do something about that honk. Oh, look! Croissants!
Get back. You're too big for your age already.
But it's not fair. I'm hungry too. Why are you always picking on me? Honk! If they knew just how dearly I would love to honk! But it's true, I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different. I'm just different from the rest. So who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty. Different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate my stubby beak. There's a runt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I hurt insane inside. Different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along.
I think you look delicious.
What did you say?
I said that poultry can be so malicious. Look at them guzzling all that bread.
It's supposed to be very nice. It's French.
À l'orange. Do you mean to tell me that they didn't let you have any at all?
Not a crumb.
Oh, that settles it then. Lunch is in. On me.
Do you really mean it? You are a friend.
Of course I am. Now just come along.
I think I should tell my mother first.
Oh, no, you mustn't. Look, she's talking to her grace. Don't you know a duckling should never interrupt anyone who's talking to her grace?
But I really think I should.
What a feast. A little on the stale side, but one mustn't grumble.
Mama!
Yes, oh, excuse me, Your Grace. Beaky, don't stomp on Downey's foot.
Mama, excuse me.
Yes, just a minute, sweetheart. Billy, not such big mouthfuls, and soak it in water first or you'll choke.
Mama, I've been invited to.
I'm sure that would be fine, sweetheart. Fluff, I hope you're not just picking out the raisins.
Look, we won't be gone long. What harm can it do? And you're hungry, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Well, that makes two of us. Come along.
Well, if you're sure.
Oh, I'm quite sure.
It's Ida I feel sorry for. How she managed to lay that egg, I'll never know. It makes my eyes water just thinking about it.
I think it just puts out the wrong message, having something looking like that paraded around the lakeside amenities.
Do you mind? That is my son we're talking about. There was nothing wrong with him. He just looks a little different, that's all. I think that makes him someone rather special. Well said, Ida. I agree with you. And if I agree, then everyone agrees. I think an apology is in order from you two. Wait a minute. Where's he gone?
I thought he was with you.
He was just a moment ago.
If he's got any sense, he's going to find a paper bag to put over his face.
Oh, Drake, that's enough.
All right, all right. He hasn't gotten smart.
Oh, he was trying to ask me something.
So he probably wandered back to the lake. You know how he loves to swim.
Not without asking me first. He wouldn't. Where's he gone?
All right. We'll look for him, okay? Turkey, can you go have a look behind the milking shed, please? Henrietta and Marie, can you go look behind the hen house? The kids, you and I, we'll go look down by the lake,